also running very late. Oh my god. Let's try soaking it. That is what happens. Fuming. You all wanted to know. My coffee is spilled in my bag. I literally have a pool of coffee when I turn up to my lecture this morning. That's what happens to me when I rush. Such an idiot. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning, campers. We are a little bit rough. I swear I say this in literally every video, but we are feeling a small bit rough this morning. Yeah, we're gonna go food shopping because I don't have any, well, I do have food, I just need more food. I had a bit of a disaster yesterday, like, when I say a bit, I mean a big of a disaster. I should have taken a photo and I should have filmed, but you know what? In the moment, we're just not here for it. Holding my flask of coffee in my hand, I went to the toilet, put my flask in my bag, and then I went out and sat down. I didn't really think anything of it. But when I then walked up to my lecture room, I found a huge puddle of coffee, and when I say huge, I mean the whole flask of coffee was literally in the bottom of my bag. So that was a disaster. I actually thought I had ruined my iPad, my Apple Pencil, and also my AirPods. My AirPods were the worst out of it because obviously they're small, they're compact, you know, but they are actually fine. I will see you probably when I'm in Tesco's? When I'm in Sainsbury's. I'll do a little like montage of me buying shit. Enjoy. I thought I'd do you a little shopping haul because I'm that YouTuber now who can do these sorts of things. So I don't even know where to start. I mean, I needed some of these anyway, so got some of those. Got some of this. Thought it might be nice to have some soup. I also got this because it looked cool and I wanted to try it, so yeah. Also got a green naked smoothie. I know these are really bad for you because of the amount of sugar. However, actually it's not that bad. It's an orange one on the packet, so it's not too bad. But I just feel like I need something like that. I also got this to put soup in for when I at uni, especially Mondays, especially in the winter. I love soup. Like, I love soup for a lunch. I think it's a perfect lunch thing. So got that. Got some asparagus and some broccoli. I needed some of these to put like little snacks in. So like, I've got loads of fruit, but I don't really want to, because if I put fruit in my bag it just goes really gross. So I got some of these to put like little fruit salads in that I can have in my lunches and stuff. Got some hummus, constantly love hummus. Crisps. And then I also got a protein shaker because the amount of times I've said that I need to order a protein shaker and I never do. And I used my dad's the other day and it was brilliant, so I needed to buy one for here. So yeah, and it's also got a nice blue lid, so, or teal lid, I don't really know, but yeah, love it. Okay. Got some chicken to put in the freezer. I got some vegan sausages. So these, I've got vegan peas with vegan cheese, tomato, basil and garlic. They sounded really yummy. So yeah, and they're also gluten-free as well. Made with gluten-free oats, which I thought was pretty cool. Because my boyfriend likes to eat vegan, and because he's dairy-free, most things are vegan, so I thought these were good to have in the freezer when he comes and stays, so then we can have, like, you know. I also got some fish because I want to cook this week at some point. I also got an avocado because the avocados my dad bought just were not great, so we have an avocado and I can have that for breakfast because I'm kind of sick of peanut butter on toast, so I thought I'd get an avocado. Baby cucumbers because I can't be asked to cut a huge cucumber, so I can just use baby cucumbers. And then the last thing is a huge bag of carrots because I couldn't find carrot battens and carrots like this last so much longer, so they were 35p. That's everything I got. I think I ended up spending about £48 in the end, which, considering I got washing up detergent, who am I? Because I've got the Ariel pods and the fabric softener, that's actually pretty decent because those two themselves were about £15. So in total on food and like the other little bits, it was only like 30 quid, which is not that bad actually. I sound like an American now, but that's my food haul. I'm going to now sort my knife out, put some washing on and make some lunch. Even though it's really early to eat lunch, I just don't have time to eat lunch any other time, but early, so yeah.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything that's strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have to fade away.
Some personal bests today. So good morning. I can finally say morning. I'll just show you my outfit today because it's very basic. But yeah, I have the day off today, thank God. I'm going to head out to Sainsbury's again because I need to go to Argos, and I don't need to, this is just a preferred, like, preference for myself, but I need to get a wireless keyboard, and I want to get the Apple one because it's compatible with literally every device I have. Yeah, every device obviously apart from my watch because that would be a bit stupid. I'm also going to have a look, see if they've got like a laptop stand in Argos, just, you know, I also need one of those. It's coming over tomorrow with my shelving thing and I'm gonna just sort that out a little bit. But yeah, I want to get most of my work done today so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow and I can just chill with Elliot and have a nice day. But yeah, I actually want to get home when I set up this mouse. So that's this mouse, this keyboard. Anyway, goodbye. I've made it back alive. My phone is about to die. But Argos annoyingly didn't specify on their website that you had to order this keyboard online. But I managed to get it in same day click and collect, so I will collect that in a bit. I hopefully have ordered it to the right Argos, because I'd be a little bit sad if I in the moment didn't. Had a success with the wicker baskets. Delightful. So this big one is for all of my hair stuff to go on the shelf, and this tiny one is to put all of my Lush stuff in. It looks like just in a little corner. How pretty. Anyway, now I'm going to sort this other basket because I'm really just sick of this clutter and, like, you know, tidy mind and everything. Tidy space, tidy mind and all that crap. I just feel like I can't work in here until it's, like, decluttered, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll catch you later. I literally just cleaned the stairs because the stairs was disgusting, like, so much. Like,